everyone. I am Manju Taneja from RPIIT College. Today I have taken the topic of tenses. In English grammar, there are three main types of verb tenses, that is past, present and future. The past tense refers to something that has already happened. The present tense describes anything happening right now, and the future tense. Today I have taken the topic of present indefinite tense, that is also called simple present tense. When an action is happening right now or when it happens regularly. Present indefinite tense can also be used to express two events, habit, nature, universal truth, habitual nature, etc. We will take some examples of this. Shelly loves chocolate cake, that is showing her nature. Ram eats an apple every day, that is her habitual nature. I go to school every day, that we do on our routine, that is our routine work. The earth revolves round the sun, that is universal truth. She speaks the truth, that is also her nature, that shows also these are the habitual nature, universal truth and present indefinite tense. Firstly, we will go with affirmative tenses. Rules are subject plus first form of verb plus s or es plus object. Examples we will take: she prefers coffee to tea. S or es we use with third person singular like he, she, it, or any single subject. If we are taking, we will use S or es. She prefers coffee to tea. She is third person singular, so we use prefers, S with prefer. He goes to library every day. He is a singular person, so we use goes. They love to play football. They is plural, so we will not use s or es with they. You read various kind of books. You is also a second person, so we will not use s or es with it. Now we will go with present indefinite tense, negative. Here we will go with the rule subject plus do does plus not plus first form of verb plus object. Simply we will use do and does with not. Examples we will take: Sarah does not want to share the cake. Sarah is single. We are talking about a single subject, so we will use does. Mohak does not want to do his homework. Mohak is a singular person, so we will use does. I do not want to eat anything right now. I is a first person singular, so we will not use does here. We will use only do here. Do not. I do not want to eat anything right now. So this was all about present indefinite tense. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you will like this video and share with your friends. And please subscribe our channel RPIT Academics. Thank you once again.